Hey everyone, welcome to the Velar channel. Today I'll show you how to record internal audio on Windows. First, search for OBS Studio. Download it. I'm using Windows and you probably are too. Next, open the installer and set up the program. Just keep clicking Next and then Install. After installation, we now have OBS Studio. To record your PC's internal audio, click the plus sign. Then select Audio Output Capture. Click OK, choose your device, usually the default one. Now we have a program to record internal audio. There, you can play anything and it'll record the sound. Like and subscribe to the channel. This has been Velar. See you later, everyone.